Alright, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor and I'm just trying to say my opinion in here. Okay, so now let's dive in. This is your US dollar dominance chart. Look at this pattern. This can be what you call a Bart Simpson head. So, to me, I was just expecting this. Yup. This is a bull flag that I am saying earlier in my video, and look where it is. It already hit exactly, but eventually it got rejected, and this time I'm gonna call for Bart Simpson head pattern right here. Okay, so maybe in here at this low, and let's see how it plays, if it's going to come back up or it's going to come back down. So it all depends on how the market reacts. Okay, look at your XRP US dollar pumping in 1 hour chart. Nice rebound after this breakdown from this broadening wedge, right? Or what I call the bear flag in my past video, right? This is your flag. Okay, this is your breakout candle, and you see it hits exactly, almost exactly the same. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all of those. Okay, but look at your daily time frame in here. Don't get hype, okay, because maybe we're still inside this triangle. Okay, we can pump till like this, or maybe consolidate, then decision time if we come back down. Are we going to go down, or are we going to blast off to the upside? Okay, so right now we are gonna see if it plays on this triangle pattern. If it pumps, it can be rejected this 2.17 area. Okay, I'm gonna move this up right there. Okay, 2.18, and maybe let's hope for the best that it breaks to the upside. Okay, the next resistance is this line, this 2.3, 2.32, or even 2.35 US dollar as your next resistance level. Let's go on now on your Bitcoin. Okay, perfectly nice bounce. Okay, this is what I'm telling you, right? A bear flag here. Look at this, perfectly example of this one. It drops as the same of my level. Okay, right now all I can see is this inverse Bart Simpson head. Okay, which will tend to give us a lot more higher right now, maybe in this level of area. And let's see what's gonna happen. Are we gonna come back down, or are we gonna break to the upside? So yeah, I'm gonna put some horizontal line here. This maybe we can pump a little bit higher in here, right there, 92,000. So the question is, are we going to break that to the upside? Because we're still in a, I don't know if this is a bear flag or something in here. You see this line here, right? So just the way that I'm saying that it can play like this, and decision time if going to come back down, and or we going to blast off to the upside. But my own idea in here is that maybe we can have some pump here. Yeah, and my target's still the $104,000, right? And everyone's gonna get trapped because everyone's gonna be bullish in here unless we break that and break this all resistance here. Then yeah, I can say there's a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Okay, so let's see about that. Let's see how it plays before you act. I'm just showing you the possibilities. Okay, Right now we're still playing inside this channel. Ups and downs, pump and dumps. Right, as you can see here in your XRP. Okay, look at this. Pump and dump, right? Then pump and dump and pump. So we're just playing here. I don't know what's gonna happen in here. I try to extend this, and I hope this is gonna be your support level right here. If this is gonna be right, then we can expect some 2.18 area here, right there. Okay, and as you can see here, there's a lot of resistance there. Okay, this is gonna be your resistance. This is previous support. Now it's gonna be your resistance. Okay, resistance here. So let's see how it plays out. Okay, so after that, let's see, because in a weekly time frame, okay, I'm gonna show you this. Okay, I'm gonna hide my drawings first. Okay, as you can see here, in the past, we can be like this one. We're just holding on tight to the support area, bouncing ups and down. Okay, but the biggest difference is these EMAs were below this price actions here, while this one, it tends to be like we're on a bearish side. Alright, but we're still holding into this support area. So what I was just thinking is that if we kind of hold this and potentially breaks to the upside, you can expect some 15 to 22,000, sorry, 14 to $22 per XRP. But right now I'm gonna stay on the realistic phase. Okay, because yeah, don't forget monthly MACD printed the death cross, and these EMAs are aligned with the EMAs for the bear market. So don't get hype. And yeah, my hopeful possible scenarios in here is that we bounce off first to this 2.5 level area before we drop to the bear market. Okay, if you learned something here, please do me a favor. Please like, subscribe, and notification bell for me. I hope you get what I'm telling you. I hope you are getting what I want to feed in you. Okay, I'm sorry if I can explain it thoroughly, but I hope you get it, guys. Okay, so thanks for the viewers, thanks for everyone in here. I know I'm not that good, but I was just trying to be realistic in here. So watch those levels. Okay, this is your XRP weekly time frame. Look at those levels for your 1 hour time frame. Okay, your US dollar dominance. Okay, it's so much correlated. If it drops, then crypto pumps. Then if it ups, then crypto dumps. So yep, plan your trades. Okay, always do your own research. Bye bye.